Baserow helps you keep your team organized. You might need to provide feedback or collaborate on specific tasks. In this video, we'll focus on staying in the loop with your teammates using mentions and notifications. We'll cover how to mention teammates in comments and how to stay on top of your work with notifications. Baserow's commenting feature allows you to discuss with collaborators in the workspace. This is a great way to share insights, ask questions, and keep track of important information. To see if a role has comments, look for a number indicator next to it. This shows you how many comments have been left. To view comments or make a comment, click on the row to expand it and find the comment box at the bottom right. This lets you view all the comments and row history. Now let's talk about mentions. Imagine you're working on a project in Baserow with your team. You need someone's input on a specific row, but how do you get their attention without interrupting their workflow? That's where mentions come in. This is a powerful way to grab your teammates' attention and direct them to specific tasks or projects. To mention someone in a comment, start by typing the @ symbol in the comment box followed by name. As you start typing, Baserow will suggest relevant users from your workspace. Then, select the user's name from the drop-down list that appears. Once you hit enter and post your comment, the mentioned user will receive a notification letting them know they need to check it out. It's a subtle yet effective way to grab attention and direct it to a specific role or task that needs input. If you make a typo in your comment, Baserow lets you edit comments after posting them. Just locate the menu button on the right side of the comment and select Edit Comment. And if you decide you don't need your comment anymore, you can delete it too. Just use the same menu button and choose Delete Comment. Baserow also offers a robust notification system to keep you in the loop. How do you find out when someone mentions you in a comment? Or maybe you get invited to a new workspace. That's where notifications come in. You can access your notifications from the sidebar. You will see a bell icon at the top of your side panel. If you have unread notifications, there will be a handy badge showing you exactly how many, so you can easily prioritize them. Just click on the notification to open the modal window, showing all your notifications. They are listed chronologically so you can see what happened most recently. Clicking on a notification takes you right to the update itself, so you can jump in and take action. By default, you get notifications when someone mentions you in a comment. But what happens if you want to stay in the loop about all the comments on a specific row? Baserow lets you do that too. Click on the bell icon at the top of the expanded row. Click on the option to follow all comments for the row so you get notified whenever someone comments on it, ensuring you stay updated on the progress. If you only want to be notified when someone mentions you, not for every comment on the row, you can adjust the settings. On top of in-app notifications, Baserow can also send emails to keep you informed. If you prefer to get alerts straight to your inbox, you can configure email updates. To control your email notifications, go to Settings and click the Email Notifications tab. Here, you can choose how often you want email updates: instantly, daily, weekly, or never. These emails will go to the address associated with your Baserow account, and they'll ping you about someone mentioning you in a comment, getting invited to a workspace, or being added as a collaborator on a role. Baserow also lets you know when someone fills out a form. To turn on these notifications, find the Receive Form Notifications button at the bottom of the form edit page. This way, you can always be on top of new form entries and can respond quickly if needed. With mentions and notifications in Baserow, you and your team can stay on the same page and collaborate effectively. You can discuss tasks, share updates, and keep everyone in the loop, all within the database. So next time you're working on a project in Baserow, leverage these features to keep your team connected and productive.